Welcome friends, I am Sanjib here. So today I am going to show intraday trading techniques using a balance area on an intraday basis and with the help of Anchored Vwap, how one can trade on a intraday basis. Let me start. So for that I am using two indicators which are publicly available in the TradingView. First one is a market profile with TPO and another one is anchored volume profile. So let me show that how one can find that publicly available indicator on TradingView. So first one is market profile with TPO. So this is the indicator I am using here, market profile with TPO by Drother. So already selected, so I just show that is what is the indicator. Second one is anchored volume profile by DZT. So this is the indicator I am using, correct? So let me show some my small customization actually. So let me show. Yeah, so this is the indicator. So what will be, that is what I did. The tick size I unchecked that auto tick size simply, and the manual tick size I put 100, right? And POC line color I'm selecting that color, correct? And from the style section I remove that table. So if I select table, so then that info is here, so I don't need that info. And line and level, so I don't need the levels. So this is the small customization of the indicator, right? Okay, next one is anchored volume profile. So if I select, so then that volume profile will be plot, right? Will be plotted. So what is the customization? It's a simple customization. I just change that color, volume profile color, so one can easily change as per his choice. So I choose that color, and it is the point of control, and that number of rows the default number of rows is 24. I just select the 70, and this is the view, simple. And from the style there is also a table, just I remove that table. Okay, so this is the indicator I am using. So now let's come to the procedure, that is how one can identify the balance zone, right? So this is the Friday open. So this is another strategy, that is it is the VPOC from Thursday. So market open here and test the POC and rejected, but always I give the weightage at the open, that is from the last 2 hours profile, correct? So this is the last 1 hour profile, and it is the value area. So what did at the open, market open here, test and rejected, and this is also another red candle, this is also another red candle. But point to notice here is that despite having a 3 continuous red candle, red bar, but none of them is closed under that value area low. So somehow I'm watching that, okay, what is happening here. So after that fourth candle was the good white raise bar candle, correct? But in the subsequent candle, what is happening, again market went for the test that BPOC, but again rejected and form a good hammered candle which is bearish. So one can easily take shorts from here, right, with the SL of day high plus some ticks. So after that market broke down the day view and obviously a bearish bias. So I hope most of us was in a short trade, so no issues. So after that we can see here that is almost 2 hours market was in a tight range, right? And from that 2 consecutive 2 hour a contracted value area zone, in which we have a similar value area low, and obviously a value area high was overlapping lower from here, from that to from that, right? So what is happening here, that market did not closed, so not only closed, it did not go below that value area high, right? But whereas it broke two times but rejected subsequently, correct? But the buyer was not strong enough to go beyond that value area high. So somehow that is, we can easily understand from that info that sellers are strong here, right? That is mostly intra sellers, right? They are defending their zone, correct? And also market was trading below that here, right? So now what is happening at the 11:55, that candle market went above that value area high, this value area high, and also as well as that previous value area high, but was unable to sustain above that value area high and rejected sharply with a good wick. So we can understand that, okay, sellers again, new sellers sold here, correct? So and subsequently we can see that with that candle market closed below that value area low. So whoever shorts from the open, so one can easily add more shorts from here. So after that market subsequently broke, and from that balance a good imbalance to the downside, it went past below that value area low, we can easily book our profit. And now we should watch that, okay, what market did after that, right? So again market closed above that value area low, and this is the two-way optioning process, and in the meantime we found another good balance zone, right? Good balance area we have formed, and this candle broke out from that balance. So the procedure is, whenever we have found some balance area, I simply draw anchored vwap from that high and from that low. So this was the high, right? So I am drawing anchored vwap from here, and this is the low. So I will draw another anchored vwap from here. Let me change that color. So okay, this is the selected color. So this is the anchored vwap I have drawn in my chart from the info, right? So what I understood from that info, that market balancing here, and also a good volume attached at the low. So that means the shorts from here obviously book their profit, and as well as market broke out from the balance region, so market attracts some good long player also. That means some buyer also is here. That is how market broke above the balance, right? So what happened today? Market open here and rejected nicely from the previous value area high, but what happened, that is market came down here, and this is the zone, it is the confluence zone from anchored vwap and from the last 1 hour VPOC. So market came down here, tested and nicely rejected. So that means the intra bias is on long side, correct? So one can easily take the C from here with the SL of from here, that is day low with some ticks. So that means in my case my SL should be 42,170. So now one can easily trail. So what happened after 10:05, market start again balancing from here, and this is the candle where broke out from that balance, right? And what will be the balance high and balance low? Balance high is here and balance low is here. So as market broke out to the upside, so I will consider the balance low. So this is, so now I will draw another anchored vwap from here. So let me select the color, let me choose that color, right? So after broke out from here, market went to that level, and this is the zone where is the Thursday vwap, right? So one can easily book the intra profit from the C sides. So now if market wants to go up, so now we have to monitor for follow through to the upside. And there is also a resistance, it is the Thursday value area high. So now what happened after that, market start balancing and slowly with that candle market broke, that is market closed below that anchored vwap. So we are cautious, right? So somehow market test the day's vwap and also the subsequent lower level support. And what is the support? For me the support was here. Support is first support is day vwap, second is 42,396 and third one is 42,346. This was the support as per my procedure, as per my procedure which I follow for intrading, right? So what happened, market came below that anchored vwap. This is the good rejection with some weeks, so one can easily take the pitch for intra scalp. So first target would be a day vwap. So this is the price 42,584 and day vwap is here 500, so almost 80 point scalp. But what market did, market sharply broke out from the day vwap, almost after seeing that kind of candle, some bearishness is come to our mind. But what happened, see that anchored vwap, that it is the yesterday buyers average price, right? So market broke that vwap and this is also support. So after that formed the dozy and a good white range bar. So somehow that is this region is protecting, right? And after that we have a good move, correct? And where market closed, see, this is the anchored vwap. So conclusion is that the buyer who bought here, right, nicely protected 2 days. So let's see tomorrow's action. So for the upside we have a good follow through to the upside, otherwise we have a good rotation market, correct? Some up down. Thanks for watching. So if you like that, like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share with your close friends. Thank you. Thanks friends.